What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you the reason why your phone is taking time to boot up whenever you power on your phone. So I'm going to show you this fix within a period of 2 minutes. So come with me to your phone settings. Go to your phone settings here by tapping on the gear icon. Scroll down to apps or app management depending on how you have it on your phone. Under the app section, select permissions. Inside the permission, select auto start. So under auto start, let me turn some application on and go back, then enter the auto start. So you can see here that I have 4 applications that are on auto start or that are auto start enabled. So what this means is that whenever I power on the phone, this application will automatically start with the phone, thereby making the phone slow down because the phone has applications that are starting up with its operating system at the same time. So let's say you have up to like 5 to 10 applications starting up in the background with the phone's operating system. It will definitely slow down the phone power on time. So instead of your phone to power on maybe under 1 minute, your phone may end up power on within a period of 3 to 5 minutes. I've seen phone that took up to 5 minutes before the phone could power on. So what you need to do is go ahead to deactivate this, remove them from auto start, and once you do that, you have a faster power on rate in your phone. So guys, hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel so I'll be able to catch you in my next video.